Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today I want to give you some quick tips on how to stay safe against phishing attacks or scams. Common sense is your biggest tool in how to fight against cyber criminals or scammers, but some scams are so sophisticated they are very difficult to detect. Here are some tips on staying safe. Beware of phishing attempts. Never click on links in emails or texts from unknown senders. They could be malicious phishing attacks. Don't take the bait. If you haven't signed up for a service, don't believe messages saying that your subscription is about to run out. Remember, you never signed up in the first place. It's probably a scam. Never reply to unsolicited messages. If you receive an email or text from a company you do business with, go to their website directly. Don't click through the email links. Stay away from attachments. Never open attachments from unknown senders. They could be malicious and infect your device with malware. Have great antivirus software and make sure that it's up to date. Like our Larry on Guard malware protection service. Call us today and we can help you get set up.